Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Minutes SI Racing Project, back with another part. Today, I got my exhaust in, got a new exhaust from Greddy. So, man, I think I ordered this back in April and got it in August. So, it's been a long wait. So, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like, see what comes inside. Yeah, so now that I unboxed it, uh, I I don't really like the chrome can, the muffler. It's too big and too much chrome for under the car. I didn't really want that to be able to be seen too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and paint that black. I'm gonna get some engine paint. It's high temp, so it can take high temperatures. Probably get in a flat black and paint that the big chrome pieces on it. And with that, it should be able to kind of hide it under the car, because I really only want to be able to see the muffler tips, and those being chrome is fine. But just as as for the big can, mufflers, I kind of want to hide those under the car. I don't want them showing too much. So yeah, let me paint that and see what it looks like. Now that we have unboxed it, let's take it to the shop and get it installed and see what it looks like on the car. Maybe take a couple sound clips, and then maybe in another video, I'm still planning on doing some pulls just to see how the car sounds and looks, and see how fast it is. I haven't did it yet, but I do plan on doing it soon. I was waiting for the exhaust. I'm not sure if I should wait for the clutch though, and I'm not sure if I should do it in the streets or wait for Sacramento and do it on the track. So that's still in the works, but for now I'm gonna go have it put on, and let's see what it looks like on the car. So after having the exhaust installed and hearing it and feeling how it feels on the car, I do like the sound. It's a deep, it sounds pretty good. It's not too loud, but it's not silent like the stock either. So it has a pretty good sound, a decent sound. That was pretty much what I was looking for in the Greddy exhaust. Something street legal, something carb legal, that wouldn't get bothered for, and a good amount of sound, not too much to where I'd keep getting pulled over, getting tickets and stuff. So I'm happy with that. As far as performance, I really haven't drove it too fast yet. I'll probably on the way to work, when I jump on the freeway, test it out a little bit better. But for now, I can't really tell. It does feel different, but I'm not sure how it feels different until I really get on it and actually get to test it out. So maybe in another video, I'll do that and see what the performance is like. Other than that, my next part I'm thinking should be the Sabon wing, but we'll see. That should be coming soon, about a week or two. And other than that, I think I'm still looking for a clutch, big brakes. I just got still got a lot of parts that I'm looking forward to getting. But yeah, that's it for this video. Please hit subscribe, and thanks for watching. Until the next part comes in, I'll make another video, and I'm still planning on doing those pull videos as well. I'm not sure if it's just going to be on the street or if it's going to be on a track. I prefer a track. If I can get a clutch and get to Sacramento Raceway and run it on the track, that'd probably be my preferred way of videotaping the performance of this car. Yeah, so stay tuned, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.